Xfinity Router Setup Guide. Ensure you have the following: Xfinity Gateway or router, power cord, coaxial cable for certain setups, Ethernet cable optional. Place the router. Choose a central location in your home for better Wi-Fi coverage. Connect the coaxial cable if applicable. Screw the coaxial cable into the cable in port on the back of the router. Connect the other end to the cable wall outlet. Plug in the power cord. Connect the power cord to the router and plug it into an electrical outlet. Wait for the router to power on. The light will blink and eventually turn solid. Color depends on the model. Option 1. Using the Xfinity app. Download the Xfinity app from the App Store or Google Play. Log in with your Xfinity account credentials. Follow the on-screen instructions to activate your device. The app will guide you through naming your Wi-Fi network and setting a password. Option 2. Using the web. Connect to the router's Wi-Fi network. The default name and password are printed on the router or a card included in the box. Open a browser and go to xfinity.com/activate. Follow the steps to activate your router. After activation, connect a device to the Wi-Fi network. Test your internet connection by browsing a website or streaming a video. Confirm the power and internet indicator lights are on. Contact Xfinity support if the problem persists. Log into the router's admin interface for advanced settings. Open a browser and go to 10.0.0.1 default gateway. Log in with the default username password, usually printed on the router, for example, admin password. Customize Wi-Fi name, password, or security settings. Check all connections and restart the router.